Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that Microsoft is probably worried about right now, especially the Windows team, is that they've never seen a Windows operating system so high in market share 6 months before end of support. And this is what's happening. We are in a moment where end of support is 6 months away now, as we are in May 2025. The latest numbers that we've just seen today, 52%, are on Windows 10 still, which means that more than half, it's crazy. More than half of all Windows PCs out there are still Windows 10. And I would say that there are headwinds coming through. There are things. We did see a slowdown in April for the adoption of Windows 11. And I think that slowdown might actually be a little more important due to uncertainty in the economy right now. And what happens with that is that maybe less people will be wanting to buy a new PC with Windows 10 on it. And Windows 11, on it. And that could actually change numbers. And a perfect, well-going economy, I could see that people would, easily go and buy a new PC. This is pretty much what happened all the time. But in this time and date, I would think that people might actually want to keep their PC as long as possible. Unfortunately, Microsoft is, of course, not telling everybody that there's ways to do so right now. But, this is Microsoft. They want you to move on. Plus, they made a big announcement this week. Hey, you should buy a Copilot+PC capable machine, which by default is more expensive than a standard Windows PC that would still run Windows 11. Now, it is, of course, in the idea that you will have the latest features plus Copilot and all of that. But also at the same time, I think even though, not a lot of people want to have that, the idea isn't maybe that bad also due to the fact that I think if you buy a Copilot+PC machine, you're probably securing yourself for an eventual Windows 12. As I think Windows 12 might actually have that as a minimum requirement. A Copilot+PC machine that you will have to purchase in order to continue and have that new operating system. Of course, there's no official numbers on the sales of Copilot+PC machines right now. But although it is a part and a percentage of the new Windows machines out there, I don't think it is the majority. I think there's still more PCs sold that are just standard PCs that are capable of Windows 11. So this is going to be interesting to see. But as time is running out, I think Microsoft should sit down and think a little more about all of this, because there's still a lot of people that will be with Windows 10 at the end of this year. And I think that $30 for a year will be pretty popular, more than maybe Microsoft would love to. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.